Hello my dear students, today I am going to discuss chapter 1, that is fundamentals of the computer system. Now the fundamentals of the computer system, a computer system consists of the hardware and the software. Hardware and software, both are the parts of the computer system, and without hardware, software can't work, and without software, hardware also can't work. So hardware and software are just like the body and soul of the computer system. So first of all, what is hardware? So hardware are those parts of the computer system which you can touch and see. That is, they are the tangible parts of the computer system. Now, hardware consists of many input devices and output devices. So first of all, we will discuss about the input peripherals. Now peripherals, what is peripherals? Peripherals are those external devices that we attach with our computer system. That is input peripherals. First of all, in this category we have input peripherals. First is the keyboard, second is mouse, joystick, light pen, scanner, barcode reader, MICR, OMR, OCR. We will all discuss these things in detail. So first of all, keyboard. Keyboard, all of you use keyboard with your PC. Keyboard consists of different keys. You use keyboard to type text and to perform calculations in your PC. Mouse, next input peripheral is mouse. Mouse is a pointing device that consists of three types of mouse: optical mouse, ball and wireless. In the optical category, this type of mouse uses optical rays to pointing the arrow, that is the cursor, on the screen. It uses LED. To consider the cursor on the screen, to track the cursor on the screen. In the ball, there is a ball on the bottom of the mouse by which you can track the cursor. And in the wireless mouse, this mouse is cordless, there is no wire in this mouse. Next is joystick. It is also a pointing device, but it is mainly used in the gaming devices. Now light pen is a digital pen. It is a digital pen. It is used to draw lines and pictures on the screen or to highlight any text. Now the scanner. Scanner is just like a Xerox machine which scans all your pages, text, and convert it to the digital format. Okay, it also gives the pictures of all your text and scan your pages in the digital format. Next is the barcode reader. Barcode reader are the line strips. It is a device that read these line strips. All of you see black and white line strips on any product. This type of black strips. This type of black strips on any pointing device with the help of barcode on any product. Okay, this type of barcode given on any product. With the help of barcode reader, it reads all the details of the product keep in this barcode, in the form of barcode. So it is also a input device. Next input device is touch screen. Next input device is touch screen. Touch screen, all of you know that all the modern gadgets, that is the smartphones or the smart TVs or the ATM machines you use in the banks are of touch screen. You just put your finger on the option given on the touch screen and all the tasks are performed. Next is OCR, that is the optical character reader. Okay, it is also an input device. It scans all the characters one by one with the help of this OCR device. That is full form of OCR is optical character reader. Next is OMR, that is optical mark reader. It is also an input peripheral device. All of you see in your OMR sheets, it mainly used in the OMR sheets you use in your exams. You just circle your sheets, just darken this circle in the OMR sheets, and this OMR reads your answers, that is you put in the darkened circle. This is called the optical mark reader or OMR. Next is microphone. Next is microphone. Microphone or mic. It is also an input device. You put your voice with the help of this microphone, and it is recorded in your data in your PC, sound in your PC. Next is the digital camera. Digital camera, all of you see the digital camera. It shoots all the videos and clicks the pictures, and you can connect your digital camera with the PC, and you can give input to all the pictures to your PC. Next is the MICR, that is magnetic ink character reader. Magnetic ink character reader. This magnetic ink, which is used mainly in the banking areas, all the code given on the checks are written there with the help of this magnetic ink, and the magnetic ink character reader reads those characters with the help of this MICR. So these are all the input peripherals, these are all the input devices which you put in your PC, which you connect it to your PC. Now the next is the output peripherals. Output peripherals. Output peripherals consist of monitor. Monitor consists of CRT, that is cathode ray tube monitor, LCD, that is liquid crystal display monitor, LED monitor, light emitting diode monitors. Okay, so these are all the output devices which users used to see the pictures, to see the videos, and to type the text on the screen. So these are types of monitors. Next is the printer. Printer is also output device. Printer consists of two types of printers, that is the impact and non-impact. Impact and non-impact. Now come to the impact printer. Impact printer. Impact printer consists of old type of typewriters. You see, there is a hammer stick on the words in the ribbon area of the printer, and in the impact printer, when the user type the words, the hammer stick on there is a hammer stick on the ribbon, and your text, suppose you type mango, so the hammer stick on the ribbon and your letter are typed in this manner on the impact printer. So the examples of the impact printer are the dot matrix printer, daisy wheel, and line printer. These are all the examples of the impact printer. Now come to the non-impact printer. Non-impact printer. Non-impact printer doesn't have any type of hammer, and it is also a low noise and fast printer than the impact printer. The impact printer is very slow and they are also very noisy. In comparison to the impact printer, non-impact printer are have very less noise and works very fast. So in the non-impact printer, the examples of the non-impact printer are the laser printer and the inkjet printer. Now, that is all the parts of the hardware. That is the input and the output peripherals. Now come to the part of the software. In the next video, we will discuss about the software and all the other devices. Thanks for watching.